Ekam Darshan, where grace overpowers fate. Ekam Kshetra is located 70 kilometers from the temple town of Tirupati amidst the 500 million years old Velikonda range of mountains. It's a marvel made of marble and is built as a three-dimensional Surya Yantra. Ekam Kshetra is constructed on the basis of centuries-old mystic principles. For those who step into Ekam, divine grace is a palpable reality. Ekam is a spiritual universe created by Sri Preetaji and Sri Krishnaji for humanity's enlightenment and for world peace. With the blessings of his parents, Sri Amma and Sri Bhagavan, Sri Krishnaji started the creation of Ekam when he was only 19 years old. Ekam means the ultimate non-dual state of consciousness that can be experienced in the human body. Ekam also means the one universal intelligence inherent in all life. Thousands of seekers travel to Ekam every year, being inspired by otherworldly visions of Ekam they had in their dreams and meditations. As you set foot on the ground of Ekam for darshan, you gaze at the Amrita Kalasha and take a sankalpa. You come into the sanctum of Ekam through 4 sacred entrances, each representing Artha or wealth, Kama or fulfillment of desire, Dharma or righteous action, and Mukti or enlightenment. Praying for the fulfillment of the 4-fold pursuits of life, you step into the Ekam sanctum. The Mula Virat or the divine form worshipped in the sanctum of Ekam is the Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha is the primal form revealed in the Rig Veda to the sages as the cosmic egg from which space, time, consciousness, the physical universe and the gods have all emerged. Ekam Kshetra is the only temple in the world dedicated to the worship of this primal form of the divine. The Hiranyagarbha is seated at the heart of a massive Shri Chakra Mandala. In the Ekam Darshan, you participate in the ceremonious waving of lamps from all 8 directions. You immerse in joyful Bhakti Sankirtan. The acme of the entire Ekam Darshan is Diksha from Sri Krishnaji, the prime mover of the Diksha phenomenon. Sri Krishnaji's entrance into Ekam for the Diksha is a much awaited moment by the seekers. His electrifying presence and Diksha leads you to transcendental experiences, divine visions, expanded states of consciousness, dissolution of problems, and great miracles. After the Diksha is the Mahanaivedya Bhogam and the concluding Arati, again from the 8 directions. You leave Ekam Sanctum feeling protected, blessed, and vowing to come back again with your loved ones. Beginning January 31st, 2021, every Sunday morning, 10:30 a.m. till 12 noon is Ekam Darshan. Even though Ekam Darshan is free for all, registration beforehand is compulsory. Wearing a mask throughout the ceremony is mandatory. Only people between 10 years to 60 years of age are permitted into Ekam Darshan. Social distancing has to be followed for the greater good. For further details and registration, contact us on 766 004 1008 and visit us at www.ekam.org.